Most builds starts like this. A box on a bench, full of potential and clear limits from the very beginning. Before anything comes together, choices are already in play and interact. Tools don't just enable the work, they quietly shape how it unfolds. What you choose here sets the pace, the level of control, and the margin of error you're working with later on. Documentation matters, not as instruction and not as something to follow step by step, but as reference, something to question, compare, and think against. That context matters once weathering products enter the process. They aren't effects you apply at the end, they are options that interact with everything that came before. Precision matters here, understanding how things are built, how parts connect, and how they take stress over time is what makes later wear feel believable, not just decorative. At this point, everything works together. It works as one system. This is how I work. If that resonates with you, you're in the right place.